In this video, we're going to set up the connection with GA4. While you're in the dashboard, navigate to Integrations. Go to Add Integration. Go to Outgoing, and here you can find Google Analytics 4. You need the measurement ID and the API secret. You have to navigate to Google Analytics. Make sure you're in the right account and make sure you have all the admin rights. Navigate to Admin and check your rights over here. Here you can see I have the needed rights as an administrator. Navigate back and navigate to data streams. Click on your website. And over here you can find the measurement ID. Copy this. Navigate back to Octanist. Copy it over here. Now we have to find our API secret. Navigate back to Analytics. Go to Measurement Protocol API Secrets. If you didn't do it already, click on Review Terms. Acknowledge them. And next, create a new API secret. Give it a nickname. And create. You have to copy this secret value and navigate back to Octanist. Paste it over here. Next step. You can give it a name. You will see what happens. We have some advanced settings. For example, the consent mode and the backfill existing leads. If you already qualified some leads, then you can hit this one. For now, I will complete the setup. And here you see it is active. Thank you for watching.